Good morning. Would you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Dover Middle School. Here are a few words of wisdom for us all. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite fables. There once was an ant and a grasshopper who lived in a beautiful, sunny meadow. Although they lived in a wonderful place, you could not have met two more different individuals. You see, the ant was always concerned about his future. He worked hard, day and night, night and day, all summer long, setting aside supplies for a winter he knew would eventually come. Meanwhile, the grasshopper was nothing but lazy and pleasure-loving, choosing to spend his days not preparing for the future, but instead singing and dancing and having an all-around good time. Shocking and appalling, if you ask me. Eventually, winter came. The snow flew, and, wait a minute, let me turn the page here. The grasshopper jumped in his car and drove to Florida, and the ant got stepped on. Wait a minute, who's been messing with my announcements? With something to think about, make it a great day, or not. That choice is yours. One additional announcement. In honor of St. Patrick's Day this weekend, all teachers will be allowed to wear kilts tomorrow and carry shillelaghs. They may use the shillelaghs at their discretion. Thank you.
Friday, March 14th is Pi Day. And here at Science Friday, we're celebrating. We hit the streets of New York City to spread some holiday cheer and asked people, what is this and what's it good for?
That's pi. P in French.
I know that it's equal to 3.14, I believe.
3.14, 15, 9.
And you use it in the equations to find, I believe, what is it, the circumference of a circle? I don't know. It's a math symbol.
It's the ratio of the diameter to the radius.
3.14, and other than that, I can't tell you.
No, the radius to the circumference of the circle. Or is it the diameter to the circle? It's the diameter to the circumference.
Strangely enough, most people in Times Square didn't know about the holiday, so we tried a different part of town. Outside the New York University Math Department, our passers-by were unstumpable.
That's the pi sign?
Pi? Pi?
It's pi.
That's the pi symbol, 3.14.
Stands for the ratio of the circumference to the diameter for a circle.
It stands for the irrational number.
It's one of the few transcendental numbers, which means that it doesn't solve any polynomial with real coefficients. I know there's lots of transcendental numbers.
But specifically, it's also a mathematical constant, which is sweet.
People did know about the holiday.
I know it's the 14th, yes.
How did you know?
Well, I know that pi is 3.14, so naturally that'd be March 14th.
3.1415926535897. That's as far as I know.
3.1415926 is all I know. No, it's not terrible, but I could do better.
3.1415926535897932384.
If you thought that was good, you ain't seen nothing yet.
3.1415926535896932384626433384717193936939936510510520971052097. That was 52. I can do like 200.
I can only name up to, I can only name 3.14159. I forget after that. It's not too, it's a transcendental, you know, the digits don't necessarily matter. It's
I'm Flora Lichtman for Science Friday.
And now for a math joke for bonus points. Math is like love, a simple idea, but it can get complicated. Now to the office.
Good morning, Dover Middle School, and welcome to NATV. Attention 6th and 7th grade girls interested in trying out to be a DMS cheerleader for next school year. Tryouts will start on April 2nd. In order to try out, you must have a physical on file in the office. You can pick up physical cards in the office or online at ohsaa.org. You also need to pick up an informational packet in the office. The Spanish placement test will be given on Monday, March 18th at 10:15 in the library. 7th grade students interested in taking the test to be considered for taking Spanish next year should sign up in homeroom. There are only 8 days left of the 9 weeks. How are your grades? Auditions for the talent show will be held this Friday after school in Mr. Shu's room. Please come prepared to perform your entire act. If you have any special requirements like music, instruments, or other needs, you're responsible to provide them or let Mr. Shoemaker know before Friday. It is Pie Week.
Pie Day.
Thursday is National Pie Day.
Happy Pie Day!
So we will be celebrating here at DMS. We need your help. Bring your change and to see your favorite or least favorite math teacher get pied. Pennies go to the teacher's can you want pied. Silver change goes to any others. Cans are on the table in the cafeteria. Work on memorizing pi. There will be a competition during your math classes for the most digits you have memorized. Winner gets to pie the losing/winning teacher. Lunch today is hamburger spiral fries, dill pickle spears, pear sauce cup, and nachos and cheese for Tornado. Now to the office.